Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the ShopPay application. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the ShopPay application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your Google account or your credentials. Now, after logging into your account, if you wish to change your delivery address, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then from the account menu, tap on the menu icon at the top right. Now, if you tap on settings, you will not be able to find any option related to your address. So if you wish to change this, then you will either have to add various items into your cart or buy any item and then continue to the checkout screen. From the checkout menu, you will be asked to enter your phone number for confirmation. After choosing your country code and entering your phone number, within the next screen, you will have the option to enter your address and validate your payment. So verify your phone number by entering the code, and then you will be allowed to enter your password before each order. Now, if you wish to change your default address, then tap on the AI assistant at the top right corner, and now just type in that you wish to change your delivery address. You can then simply enter your new address according to the AI's prompt, and if it doesn't help you, then you can contact the customer support team. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and tap on the search box and type in ShopPay and start your search. Once you find the app, tap on it and scroll down and tap on App Support. Then you can simply tap on the email address and you will be able to send a direct mail to the ShopPay app support team. Now, within the subject, you can just type in that you wish to change your delivery address, and in the main body you can type in that you cannot find the option to do so anywhere. Now, after sending your email, you will simply need to wait for a response from the support team, and once you receive the response, you can follow the instructions within this email to change your delivery address. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to change your address on the ShopPay app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.